Hi, today is day 4 of getting paying users to my no-code build SaaS using Claude Code. And yesterday we got our first customer, which you guys have seen that video. And I did a little briefing about the strategies that I was going to implement. Yesterday I did more of the outreach over DMs and Twitter, as well as Reddit. And I wanted to give you guys an update. I showed you yesterday my SaaS, which was AdWhisper. And I showed you that from 200 automated DMs that we've already sent from a bot that I used Claude also to build, we had about 12 conversions. Since then, today, we have about 20. And it's getting late right now in the night. So what I'm going to do right now is the lowest hanging fruit for today is, while I'm still pushing on having more meetings with some agencies, because I do have some in the upcoming week. Today's Saturday, so waiting for those to happen during the week. But what I'm going to be doing right now is showing you guys the flow, is take advantage of the 20 users. So I have 20 users right now on the free plan on AdWhisper. I'm going to give you some context on what AdWhisper does. And then I'm going to work with Claude to create an automated email and a promotional email to onboard them and try to convert them to use AdWhisper with a promotional deal. This way I can get them in the door, get them hooked. But that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you that whole entire step of me creating the emails, the promotional discount, and the auto emailing to all of the existing users of the platform access. Let's do that. Let's jump on the computer. Okay, we're on the computer now. As you guys can see, this is AdWhisper, so some context. I built this in 7 days. I'm not a technical person. I used Claude Code to build this. What it is a platform where you can spy on your competitors' advertisements anywhere on any platform, and you can talk to it in a chat interface and steal all of their marketing campaigns, see what's working, what's not working. Here's, for example, you have Cal AI, and you can ask it, hey, show me your best performing ads in the last 7 days or in the last week, right? And then say, here are my 3 top performers in the last 7 days. And it'll just tell you. You'll get access to how much revenue they make, how many impressions they're getting on their posts, what are their best engagements, how the creative is broken down. You can even get to a point and ask your own scripts. You can be like, hey, give me another copy of that script for me to be able to copy. What do you think about this copy that I already have? And then you can download it, export it, and use it and share it with all of your other marketing members on the team. So this is for people who are running any D2C brands, media buyers, paid agencies. So this is a perfect platform for you. It's super simple to use. You sign in, you track your first brand for free. Here are a bunch. You can go ahead and ask any one of these. Clash Royale, if you're in the gaming space, you can ask, you just add a brand and you just search it. Like, for example, Apple, let's say. And boom, you can just, okay, I want you to analyze all campaigns that Apple is running everywhere. And so it'll pull that data for you. And yeah, you can chat with it. You can see all the different creatives that they're running, which ones work best. So this is an influencer who's running ads for his fitness campaigns. You can go to the Explore page and check out all the brands that you're tracking, all of the reels and the ads that they're running. You get daily updates about any new ads that they start running. And you got a whole reel library of the best performing reels and ads that are being published. So cheers. So that's what AdWhisper is. Now, I already gave you context on where we're at on this now 4th day. I already have 20 users that have used it. I have about 27, but I would say 7 of them are people that I know personally and have been getting feedback from the platform. So they're not paying customers. I just need them to actually give me feedback on the entire platform. But 20 of the users that are on the platform are those that have been converted from my automation DM bot that I had built 2 days ago, which you guys can go and see on YouTube. It's also there. You can figure out, I literally show you a whole tutorial on how to build a bot that scrapes comments from relevant content that's on Twitter, and it will scrape the comment section of all the potential users that show an interest in that content that they were commenting on. In my case, it was something that was related to advertisements and paid ads. So then I had an auto DM feature, which all I had to do was take that link, put it into Claude, and it would then run the whole script, scrape the entire comment section, and then auto DM them personalized DM notes about, hey, we noticed that you were checking out this content, and now here's a product that you can actually use that does the same thing, but it's much cheaper and it's free for you to just jump on. So from that, we got 20 users. Now what I want to do is, because they're on the free tier, is I want to offer them a promotion to jump onto the platform. The idea is because this is still so early, I want to get access to speaking to them. Okay, so I've asked it and I've given it context about how many users I currently have, which is the 27 minus 3, so there's 24 users. They're all on the free plan, and it's asked me what payment processor I'm using, what is my current payment option, what's my current pricing, which is the Pro at $19 a month, and what automation, like email service that I'm using is %. It came back and it's saying like, hey, how about we just do like a discount first month for $1? And $1 it kills friction enough, it's saying, because it feels free enough, but it gets their card on the file and starts a subscription. After a month, it auto renews obviously to $19. And this way, the email, we need to make it that's personalized. It went ahead and created the markdown file that now I'm going to be taking, this MD file, and putting it on Claude Code and starting that entire process. So this is how simple things are to build, by the way. You just communicate with the AI, and it starts the whole process. So I've provided Claude Code with the markdown file, what it thinks, and let it begin. I always start in plan mode. It's very important to start in plan mode because usually you want to go over the plan that it creates and try to edit, make some changes from the plan. So go ahead and read the plan that it provides, which is right here. So I'm going to review it in a second. There's some sensitive data in there. Anyways, so I'm going to go over there, go over the plan, fix whatever things you don't like about the plan, right? And you have to give context of things what it should not do so that it doesn't just like go crazy. Claude does like to do that. It's not, don't let this be something that also intimidates you. It's very easy. You're using natural language just to tell like, hey, I don't want this, don't do that. But if you don't understand something, you could literally just ask it like, hey, what is this and what is that? And it will tell you. So we're going to go over now building the code for this as it's now presented the plan. And I'm going to revise it, approve it, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so this was the plan. It decided even to add to the plan that it provided. Not only is it now going to be doing a $1 subscription offer for their first month, it's even suggesting that we should only do this for 72 hours, and then it will auto remove anyone that's already converted and then send another push email whenever in the last day and say, hey, there's about 12 hours left for you to grab this promotional code. It's only for this time period, and just so that it can create that urgency, and it'll proceed from there. So we're going to head implementing this right now. It shouldn't take that long, and we're going to push this. So, all right, great success. So it went ahead, and so give you guys an update. This is the email copy that we approved. We went ahead and fixed the Stripe issue, actually. It went ahead and fixed it on its own. I went ahead now and then asked it to send me a test email, which it went ahead and did that. So I had gotten a test email right here. So here's the entire email, and boom, boom. I wanted to test that the $1 worked, and the $1 worked. So now people can just go ahead and pay $1 and try to get them to convert. The idea is to get them to convert. We can do a little one-on-one session with them, and so we can get on a call with them. And I'll see you guys, and this is day 4. Let's see how many people convert. So stick around, subscribe, and then tomorrow I'll give you guys an update on what happens. So yeah.